For a while, the roadmap for DJI's Pocket lineup felt predictable. The expectation was a joint reveal, a standard model and a Pro variant arriving together, clearly positioned as a single-generation upgrade. That didn't happen. Instead, DJI released the standard DJI Osmo Pocket 4 first, a camera that refined the formula rather than reinventing it. It improved usability, polished performance, and kept everything familiar, but it didn't feel like a major leap forward. That calm release, however, only made the next wave of information more interesting. Attention quickly shifted toward a more advanced model that began surfacing through leaks, creator previews, and early testing clips, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. What started as scattered mentions has gradually formed into a more consistent picture. Across multiple sources, the same timeline keeps appearing mid to late 2026, with June 2026 increasingly viewed as the key moment for launch activity. Unlike typical early-stage rumors, the details around the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P feel unusually structured. Instead of isolated claims, there are repeated sightings, prototype references, and controlled demonstration footage showing up in different places. That level of consistency usually suggests a product that is already far along in development, likely in late-stage testing rather than early experimentation. This is where the real shift begins. The standard Pocket 4 represents refinement within known boundaries. It stays loyal to the original concept, a compact, stabilized camera designed for fast, easy content creation. It improves the experience but doesn't fundamentally change how the device is used. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, on the other hand, appears to be designed to stretch those boundaries and redefine what this form factor can actually deliver. The most significant rumored change is the move to a dual camera system. This is a major departure from previous Pocket models, which have always relied on a single lens setup. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is expected to combine a wide primary sensor with a secondary telephoto lens, introducing real optical zoom into the series for the first time. That single addition changes the entire shooting philosophy. The main sensor is expected to offer better dynamic range, improved detail, and stronger low-light handling compared to the standard model. But the telephoto lens is where things become transformative. With an estimated 3x optical zoom, it introduces true perspective control instead of relying on digital cropping or post-processing tricks. In practical terms, that means the camera is no longer locked into a single visual style. Instead of always shooting wide and close, creators can shift between wide environmental storytelling and tighter, more cinematic framing. Subject isolation becomes more natural, background compression becomes more controlled, and compositions gain a level of depth that simply hasn't existed in previous Pocket devices. Video performance is expected to remain a core strength. High frame rate recording, improved color science, and better tonal flexibility for editing workflows are all expected to continue DJI's established direction. Stabilization, already a defining feature of the Pocket series, is likely to be further improved, keeping footage smooth even in dynamic handheld movement. Another important development is the growing emphasis on ecosystem integration. Early indications suggest the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P may support a broader range of accessories and external control options. This could include modular attachments, expanded mounting flexibility, and improved remote operation capabilities. Rather than acting as a standalone gadget, the device may be evolving into part of a more connected creative system. Timing speculation continues to converge around June 2026. While still unconfirmed, this aligns with DJI's historical release behavior, where major product launches often follow internal development milestones and regulatory readiness. The consistency of this timeline across different leaks has made it one of the more stable expectations surrounding the product. Pricing is expected to reflect the shift in capability. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is likely to sit in the $750 to $1,000 range, placing it well above the standard model. That immediately changes its position in the market. It is no longer a casual upgrade or entry-level creative tool. It becomes a more serious investment aimed at users who need expanded functionality rather than basic convenience. This creates a clear divide between the two models. The standard Pocket 4 is built around simplicity and speed. It is designed for quick capture, minimal setup, and reliable everyday performance. It refines the existing formula without pushing beyond it. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P moves in a different direction. The introduction of optical zoom alone creates a fundamentally different shooting experience. Instead of relying on fixed framing, users gain the ability to compose shots with intention, adjusting perspective in camera rather than in post-production. It shifts the device from a fixed-angle camera into a more flexible storytelling tool. Low-light performance improvements are also expected to widen the gap between the two models. While both aim for strong performance in challenging conditions, the Pro version is clearly targeting users who push footage into more demanding environments or rely heavily on post-production grading. That likely involves improved sensor tuning and more efficient image processing pipelines. Battery life, heat management, and overall usability are also expected to see incremental improvements in the 4P. While not dramatic on paper, these refinements often make a significant difference during long shooting sessions, especially for creators working in real-world production environments rather than controlled setups. At the same time, expectations create pressure. As the price increases, so does scrutiny. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P will not be judged as a simple upgrade but as a premium creative device. Every feature will need to justify itself, particularly when compared to larger camera systems that exist in similar price ranges. Either way, June 2026 is no longer just a speculative point in time. It is becoming the center of attention for DJI's next creative direction, with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P standing at the heart of that shift.